In today's video, let me show you the way that you can use voice commands inside of Pandora. Whether you're trying to search for songs or even artists inside of Pandora using the voice commands, let me exactly show you how it is done. All you want to do is open up the app of Pandora on your phone and head over to the search section. Once you're inside of this section, tap on the mic icon that you see on the top left and you'll be able to search for all of these options that are listed. You can also say something like this, such as play some workout music, and it will start a workout station where all of the songs will be related to workout music. Similar to workout songs, you can repeat the same process and search for different songs or give it different commands so that the songs of your interest start playing. Using this exact method, you'll be able to use voice commands in Pandora. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.